Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 20i. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be cloudy with a high of 41 and a low of 39.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.